Hello Pharmapians, today we will learn about SAR of Barbiturates. This is the basic structure of barbiturates, which is responsible for the activities like CNS depression, sedation and anticonvulsant. Modification can be done at following places: at N position, second at oxygen atoms, and third at R1 and R2 position, which is at carbon 5. Let us first look at modification at nitrogen atom. When hydrogen atom attached to the nitrogen at 1 and 3 position is replaced by any alkyl group, it results in a compound which is having quick onset and short duration of action.
When methyl group gets substituted, it results in the production of a barbiturate which is an weak acid. And weak acid does not get ionized easily. Therefore, it enters the CNS readily.
Ultimately results in fast onset of action. For example, hexabarbitol. Alkyl group at both the nitrogen atoms results in inactivation of the group. Anticonvulsant activity of the compound may be suffered if the length of the alkyl chain is increased. Let us look at modification at oxygen atoms. In majority of the barbiturates, the oxygen atoms are present at 2, 4 and 6 position. The oxygen atoms at 4 and 6 position should not be disturbed as they are essential for their activity. Modification can be made with the oxygen which is at second position. Oxygen can be replaced by sulfur, which will result in a compound which is lipidic in nature and having fast onset and short duration of action. If more than one oxygen atom is replaced by sulfur in a compound, then the activity of the compound will reduce.
Coming to the modification of R1 and R2, 5,5 di substitution is essential for the activity. That means the carbon 5 should be in its tertiary state.
Alkyl group up to 5 to 7 carbon chain increases the activity. Being more specific, if this alkyl chain is of 5 to 7 carbons, it will be having more sedative and antidepressant activity. And if it is 7 to 10 carbon, it will be having more anticonvulsant activity. Branched, cyclic or unsaturated chain produce more lipidic compound with short duration of action. If halogenation is done into the alkyl chain at R1 or R2, it will increase the potency.
Polar groups like OH and COOH at alkyl chain decreases the activity.
If the alkyl chain are shorter, then it will be having long duration of action, and if longer, then it will be having short
Keep
duration
my head
of
up
action.
when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to